Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I haven't posted a video for a long time and I just took a shower, so that's why my hair is like so messy right now and my eyes hurt. I'm gonna be doing like this a lot. So I got some slimes today. These are the slimes, but I just put a box in here for some reason. I took that out because there's nothing in it. It's just a whole other box. Yeah, these are the slimes that I got. It's my empty container. I'm gonna pick one. Let's pick this one. One of them has beads, and I think it's this one that has beads. So I can see a bead in here and down there. But so this, oh my gosh, this is purple slime. Why is it so milky? Last time it was not that milky. And the beads didn't come out this time. I'm so happy. Because last off. Ew. Ew. Is there hair in here? I hope not. But here's this one. Ooh, the beads coming out. That's not really stressing. I bought it and I made this one. So I bought this regular purple slime and I decided to put some purple beads and blue beads and pumpkins. And I love this one. Some of the beads are coming out, but that is okay. Oh, that's it. Is the TV too loud for you guys? I'm sorry if it is, and I cannot talk that loud. And you probably guys can barely hear me. I'm oh. I'm gonna get on my road. Okay, got it. So this, and this has I also put some flakes in here. Are they like kind of unicornish? Like, oh, what's in here? You can't really see it, but it's rainbow. You can't see it though, for sure. You can see it. Ew, there's that hair in here. You can kind of see this glitter in my hands, and these should falling down. So we don't want to do the next line because this eats. So we are going. We're going to put this back. Bye bye, slime. Makes fart noises too. I don't think I've told you that. There we go. So we got that one. Look at that. Oh. Let's pick this one. Oh! I actually bought this one. It's like jiggly slime. We did it like beach chunks. Or like, I don't know, like these things in it. I don't know if you can see them. I took them out because they kept on bothering me and because they're like falling out everywhere. But they're not. These jiggly slime. Gonna stick. Ouch. Ugh. I love this slime. It's fun to play with, and it's really fun. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is how I love how it feels like, and it's fun to play with also. I like milk. Like chunky milk. So really. Da da da. This is annoying. It gets chunky. And now it's getting chunky because if I keep on moving. See, like this one. Yeah, this is the jiggly slime. Oh my gosh, why is this one messing up? So but where?
27-page contempt report. Judiciary Committee Democrats explained why they want the full, unredacted Mueller report and outlined their unsuccessful efforts to obtain it from the DOJ. Committee Chairman Gerald Nadler said in a statement, quote, "Even in redacted form, the special counsel's report offers disturbing evidence and analysis
This is going to take some time.
obstruction of justice at the highest levels."
So I took off everything like we could off this table. Still a little bit stuck on here. Over here. So we're done with that slime. Get another regular. Oh, this is a mini. This is mint. I forgot that name actually. And this putty. This smells like probably mint. I bought this at David Buster's because I saw a lot of putty. So I decided to get nice one. So that really hurts to get out though. So I just saw it like this over here. Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna show you a funny trend in a while. I think it goes with the slime strawberry thing. But yeah. So this is the stretchiest putty. Smells like mint. Smell it right now. It's really strong, actually. So, no satisfyingness to this. So, if I buy mint slime, mint putty, whatever. I think it mixed it with putty. Let's put this back. But there. Let's do this one. Now I had the container. This one's the same. But first I'm going to show you the funny trick. Okay, I forgot that I got twist. Ready? Makes a bubble. I heard of it, so we're going to do it. In there. That's so funny. That's funny. Oh my god. Oh.
We saw some of the resources it takes to track down those who don't want to get caught. Agents plunged into the dense brush behind a specially trained dog who followed the scent. It was thick with bones and infested with ticks, hot and humid, and at times the dog lost the scent, but not for long.
What's one?
She sped up and she found the guy here.
The group tried to escape through the bushes, possibly trying to avoid the helicopter. The agents' eyes in the sky. They were handcuffed, marched out, then processed on a search at the side of the road. This spring,
Very nice.
Okay, that was a funny trend.
here in the Rio Grande Valley, Border Patrol apprehends on average 1,000
So that was the
people
funny
every year.
trend,
Many
and I don't know if it worked with other
leads right to
ones.
the border.
This is a father and daughter.
We're gonna do my.
Unlike the group you just saw,
Sorry about that.
people
Something
get
wrong.
themselves
I'll do it
out.
fine.
Many claim
Ooh, it's nice purple.
Incorporate several years down the road. Few are approved.
And they're exposing, what's commonly referred to as a loophole in the system. So we don't have enough capacity, we're only retaining for so many.
Actually, this one.
They're coming in record numbers, one group after another. We saw 4 in less than
Oh,
an
that
hour.
is kind of.
It feels like
Makes a lot of
they
sense.
just keep coming. Every time we turn around, there's another one.
That what you see right now is a common occurrence here.
Every agent processing people is one less agent to secure the border.
And areas that are not being guarded, if you will, due to the amount of resources taken just to accomplish people.
So does that worry you?
It worries the.
Of course. So
What you
cute.
don't see among these groups are the smugglers and cartels who sent these people here. People like this tiny boy, alone.
That's
with
cool.
Just his aunt's name and U.S. cell number
Yes.
on the inside of his shirt.
Does he know where his aunt is?
In the States, but not here.
For every person Border Patrol stops, they say many more are getting through. They're already overwhelmed. What worries them now is being overrun. I'm Laura Logan in the Rio Grande Valley.
Laura Logan sat down with President Obama's former Border Patrol chief and now the newly named head of Immigration and Customs Enforcement. We'll have an interview tomorrow night.
A man wanted on suspicion of a child sex crime is now under arrest. U.S. Customs and
That
Border
was
Protection officers say
fun.
they arrested Angel Jesus Esquivel last week. He was reportedly crossing into the U.S. from Mexico in Columbus, New Mexico. Esquivel was turned over to authorities in Montero County.
U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement is launching a new program. ICE is teaming up with sheriff's departments from several Florida counties to remove what they call criminal undocumented immigrants from the United States. It's called the Warrant Service Officer Program.
There are a number of ways to accomplish it.
That is all.
Torture yourself like this.
Because it's already dirty. It's fine.
It's just such a tragedy.
So that was the video. Huh. I know. So that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and like and subscribe. And comment down below like hashtag Mia Squad. M-I-I-A. It's okay if you put M-I-A, but at least it's hashtag Mia Squad. You don't have to put squad. Yeah, so see you guys. Bye. Love you.